What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I'm gonna talk about this PXN 308E gaming headset. I'm recording the sound of this segment using the PXN 308E gaming headset. Well, you listen carefully, check carefully and let me know how is the sound quality. Well, if you ask me, if you wanna know my honest opinion, then I think the performance is so similar to my $400 professional microphone. Well, we will switch to the professional microphone in the next segment and then you will be able to understand the difference in the quality. But considering the price of this PXN 308E gaming headset, yeah, it costs less than 50 US dollars and the performance is truly superb, amazing. Not only the microphone performance, the overall performance, the sound performance, super low latency, very long battery life. Okay, we will talk about everything one by one. But before that, one request, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. I have got the mint green version of the PXN 308E and there are other color options available too. This headset strikes a balance between looks and functionality. The headband design features a digital axis for adjustable tension, allowing a customized fit that doesn't feel too tight or too loose. The protein leather ear cushions not only offer strong sound isolation, but their smooth texture prevents discomfort even during long gaming sessions. For glasses wearers, it's a game changer as it avoids pressure on the frames. With its sleek, ergonomic design and focus on comfort, PXN 308E is clearly made with long-term use in mind. The combination of style, comfort and practicality makes it suitable for hours of immersive gaming without any discomfort. PXN 308E uses Bluetooth 5.3 and a 2.4G dongle for ultra-low latency. Bluetooth 5.3 offers lower latency, lower power consumption and better audio quality than the previous generation, ensuring a more stable connection even during demanding situations like competitive gaming. For devices that have a Type-C port, the Type-C dongle allows a seamless connection to switch mobile phones, tablets, PCs and laptops with a 10-meter effective distance. Whether using Bluetooth or the dongle, the connection is quick and stable. In gaming mode, latency is reduced to 25 milliseconds, allowing for a nearly instant response when playing fast-paced games. This versatility across different platforms ensures a hassle-free experience, whether switching between a console and a mobile device or gaming on a PC. Overall, PXN 308E offers flexibility with low latency performance, and as it supports MPC multi-point connection, we can actually connect this with two different devices and switching is truly instant and seamless. The sound performance of PXN 308E is impressive, offering a balance of clarity and power. It features a 40mm dynamic driver with a PEN-coated PET composite diaphragm, a high-end material that enhances transient response and detail. This leads to a rich and punchy bass that doesn't overpower the mids and highs, maintaining a clear and balanced sound profile. Whether it's in a game, music or movie, the 3D virtual audio algorithm works its magic, creating a wide and immersive soundstage. It's particularly useful in competitive gaming, where being able to pinpoint sound sources like footsteps or distant gunfire is crucial. PXN 308E gaming headsets SBC AAC dual audio decoding ensures high-fidelity sound across multiple devices, offering high-resolution audio that brings every detail to life. Whether it's a cinematic game or an action-packed one, PXN 308E delivers an excellent audio experience that enhances the overall gaming session. Talking about gaming performance on PXN 308E stands out. In gaming mode, latency as low as 25 milliseconds ensures audio syncs perfectly with the action on screen, making it ideal for fast-paced titles where timing is critical. The 3D surround sound technology plays a huge role in creating a more immersive experience, helping gamers track enemies or react to subtle audio cues like footsteps or gunfire. The composite diaphragm material adds precision to sound source recognition, giving an edge in competitive games where every millisecond counts. Whether using a console, mobile, or PC, PXN 308E maintains low latency, clear sound across the board. This precision and performance make the headset a must have for anyone seeking an edge in competitive gaming or a more immersive audio experience in story driven games. Actually, it doesn't matter what type of games you're gonna play or whether it's gaming or movie nights. This headset brings a seriously impressive performance that will blow the expectations out of the water. Battery life on PXN 308E is impressive, offering up to 62 hours of usage on a single charge. The low-power chip helps with efficient decoding and transmission while keeping power consumption to a minimum. When it's time to recharge, Type-C fast charging gets the headset back up in just 1.5 hours, and a quick 5 minutes charge provides up to 4 hours of phone calls. For long gaming sessions without interruptions, this extended battery life is a huge advantage. No need to worry about constant recharging. Just focus on the game. It's truly super convenient for those who use the headset for both gaming and entertainment. Well, let me recap the advantages of using this PXN 308E gaming headset. I'm in love with this affordable gaming headset because PXN 308E focuses on high sound quality, low latency, and comfort. Its 3D surround sound, low latency connection, and long battery life make it a strong contender in its price range. It cuts out unnecessary features, focusing instead on delivering a smooth, immersive experience with comfort and ease for long gaming sessions. Well, I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this PXN 308E gaming headset. But before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this PXN 308E gaming headset. It's time for me to go and start playing games again. And for you, go ahead, check this PXN 308E, the best affordable gaming headset.